Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Vet outfield abandons India-Australia ODI at Fatorda. Ticket money to be refunded. Sunshine all day, but luck not on Goa's side as pre-match excitement soured by end result. NH4A Action Committee discards government's highway realignment plan. Says Anmod Ghat Panji Road is a priority. Demolition of 168 structures unacceptable. Srinivas Tempo is the new Goa Football Association president. Just 10 votes separate Peter Vaz and Dempo. And now the news in detail. The ODI between India and Australia was called off on Sunday due to a wet outfield. The match was abandoned without a single ball being bowled. The officials inspected the outfield twice before taking the final call. The ticket money will be refunded to the ticket holders.
The one-day international between India and Australia was called off on Sunday. The wet outfield was the reason for abandonment. The officials and the team captains inspected the outfield. The inspections were held at 11 am and 12:15 pm. Referees decided to abandon the match as there was no improvement in the outfield conditions. This was the third and the final ODI. India thus won the series 1-0. Meanwhile, the side screen at the stadium collapsed. However, there were no reports of any injuries, but fans showed their displeasure.
साइड स्क्रीन एक लावपाक सारको येना जाल्यार मॅचान कित्याक चलयतात पयलीं साइड स्क्रीन लावपाक शिकयात तांकां.
This is an extremely disappointing scenario now because the match has been called off. The people who came into this ground with very high excitement and enthusiasm are now leaving the stadium. But the best thing is that after the announcement, they are leaving the stadium very peacefully, and there has been no problems here with the crowd behavior and such. The wet outfield was not to the liking of the players, and they were not happy to play on this outfield at all, although there was a lot of sun right from the morning. It seems that the destiny was not on Goa's side. A lot of people had worked hard for this match to happen, but seems like sometimes things are not destined to happen the way. And in between there was a slight mishap that one side screen at one of the ends gave way. It just toppled, and perhaps that was the last straw, and that was the sign that things were not going the way as it should be. All in all, it's a very, very disappointing situation for everybody here. But one thing is that since no ball has been bowled, it should be that the ticket money should be refunded. That seems to be the rule. With video journalist Anil Sanadi, this is Neeraj Prabhu from Fatorda Stadium in Madgaon.
And our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut.
The three-match ODI series was reduced to a one-match affair after Sunday's match was abandoned due to wet outfield. Nevertheless, India won the series 1-0 after having come out on top of Australia in Vizag. Goan trip was not fruitful for India as the match was called off after a frustrating wait. The presentation ceremony for the series was held at Taj Exotica in Benauli. It was a very low-key affair.
Virat Kohli was named the player of the series after his 100 in Vizag was instrumental in helping India chase Australia's big total in the second ODI. Captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni was all smiles at the presentation ceremony while accepting the series trophy. However, he must have been very disappointed not to have had the full series as two matches were abandoned without a ball being bowled. With the World Cup inching closer, India would have loved to have as many opportunities for the younger players and test their bench strength. The focus now shifts to the Test series against New Zealand, which will start on 4th November. A reporter from Banaule, Ramesh Naik Raut.
The most exciting part of the match that was not to be is the pre-match build-up. The stalls outside, the merchandise on the sale and getting your face painted is what living a match day is all about. The enthusiasm that was lined up in the form of cricket-crazy spectators outside the Fatorda Stadium was overwhelming. Sadly, the day could not end up on a similar note.
the clear blue skies and sunny weather has really pleased everybody here at Fatorda. I'm standing right outside the Nehru Stadium where the crowd is really building up. People have started to come in here early in the morning when the entry started at 6:30 a.m. People are just building here. The atmosphere is heating up, and I can assure you all that the atmosphere inside the stadium will surely be electric. Now, outside the stadium, there are various merchandise on offer. The T-shirt, India T-shirt, India flags. There are people who are painting faces, and the crowd, the fans are getting their faces painted. As you can see behind me, there's a big queue of people waiting in the line, and you can see now the queue is really long, and they are quickly getting inside the stadium, so there is absolutely no chaos there. The security is also very tight. The people there, police, traffic men manning the roads, and the entire system is functioning very smoothly.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Fatorda.
Sudhir Kumar Gautam is probably as famous as any cricketer from the Indian team. If this name is not familiar, then probably a thin, lanky fan painted with the Indian tricolour across his body might remind you of him. Neeraj Prabhu caught up with a Sachin-obsessed fan to know how he is coping with the Sachin's absence from this one-day team.
तुम्ही आता पळयतात हांगा म्हज्या सायडीन आसात मुजफ्फरपूर बिहारांतल्यान आयिल्ले सुधीर कुमार जे तेंडुलकराचे सचिन तेंडुलकराचे सामके एकदम नंबर 1 फॅन म्हणल्यार जाता. आतां तेंडुलकर ह्या मॅचीन ना, सो you can see now he's painted "Miss You Tendulkar" on his chest. That's just an amazing fan following Sachin Tendulkar has got in India and all over the world actually. किस तरह से आप इंडिया को फॉलो करते हैं हर गेम में?
जिस प्रकार पाकिस्तान का एक चाचा क्रिकेट पाकिस्तान टीम का हौसला अफजाई करता है, उस प्रकार हम ये पूरे बदन को तिरंगे में पेंट कर सचिन तेंदुलकर के थ्रू जो पास मिलती है उनके बदौलत हम टीम का सपोर्ट करते हैं.
आपने कब से शुरू किया टीम इंडिया को फॉलो करना?
हमने तो 2002 साइकिल से जमशेदपुर में पहले मैच स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन उस मैच में मिशन थी सचिन तेंदुलकर से मिलना. लेकिन अचानक उनको वेस्ट इंडीज इंडिया की टेस्ट कोलकाता टेस्ट में चोट लग जाने की वजह से 2002 की वनडे सीरीज वेस्ट इंडीज और इंडिया की वनडे श्रृंखला से बाहर हो गए और मिलना हमें नहीं संभव हुआ. तो उसी समय हमने तय कर लिया कि जब कभी बम्बई में मैच हो तो साइकिल से ही बम्बई जाएंगे, सचिन के घर फोटो खिंचाएं, मैच देखेंगे, ऑटोग्राफ लेकर आ जाएंगे. लेकिन हमें इस प्रकार नहीं मालूम था कि क्रिकेट क्रेजी बनेंगे. लेकिन सचिन तेंदुलकर से मिले, फोटो खिंचाए, मैच देखे. उस समय मेरी ग्रेजुएशन की 3rd पार्ट की एग्जाम चल रही थी. मैंने उस एग्जाम को छोड़कर उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया, हर मैच देखने को पास दिया और हम जाकर बखूबी मैच देखे. और 2006 में तो हमने इंटरनेशनल सीमा, भारत पाक सीमा को भी साइकिल से ही लांघ दिए. और 2007 जून बांग्लादेश भी साइकिल से मैच जाकर टेस्ट मैच देखे.
अच्छा, और आज यहाँ सचिन तेंदुलकर जी नहीं खेल रहे हैं, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है बेसिकली?
अभी तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी टीम वो वर्ल्ड कप के लिए फिटनेस साबित कर रहे हैं. लेकिन हमें अभी कुछ और उभरते हुए सितारा चाहिए. जिस प्रकार किसी की गैर हाजिरी में तो वो उभरते हुए सितारों को चांस, नए प्लेयर्स को चांस दिया जा रहा है ताकि वर्ल्ड कप मजबूत हो.
सचिन तेंदुलकर रिटायर होने के बाद आप कौन से सितारे को फॉलो करेंगे इंडियन क्रिकेट में?
बस तेंदुलकर 10 ही रहेगी मेरी बॉडी पे. वो उनके संन्यास लेने के बावजूद भी ये बॉडी बदलेगा नहीं. वो सुधीर कुमार गौतम तेंदुलकर 10 के ही नाम से जाने जाएंगे. ये शंख नहीं, ये है जंग ऐलान, टीम इंडिया सबसे महान. इस प्रकार शंखनाद करते.
This is the passion of cricket which India is known for, and this fan Sudhir Kumar Gautam, just hats off to him, is just amazing.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Anil Sanadi from Fatorda.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.